Alright, in today's video, I'm gonna be fishing on Thanksgiving break. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving, because I know I did. But it is freezing outside, dude. It's like 30 degrees. I thought about making a video, so I just threw on the camera strap and I got right to it. So we're starting off the day with a Ned rig, which I had to try it out to make sure I was going to catch something before I made a video and catch nothing, because those ain't very fun to watch. I caught one on the Ned rig, but these ducks just don't come in the fishing spot. Alright. Yeah, I would like for y'all to go. Alright, let's see what we can get. They typically are by this tree. Like, there's a bunch of roots by this tree. And these fish will get up in them roots. So, I'm trying to get it up. Oh. There's a fish. There we go. He's a dink, but hey, I see you trying to go after my fish, duck. You ain't getting it. Now, let's see here. Calm down. We don't have any trains close to here, but there's a little bass. He ain't a bad one. He's a dink, though. There you go. Ducks, y'all can have him if you want. Okay, where's my bait at? Oh, it's that over right here. It kind of just blends in a little bit. Okay. Like I said, they are by that tree. Let me wash my hands off real quick. Don't my hands smell like fish all day. That's how they normally are. I would rather my hands smell halfway decent. But I cast it up by that tree. That was first cast too, huh? Yeah, that was first cast. Not bad, not bad. 2 fish today. Yeah, I'm probably gonna make a hunting video soon. I'm going to South Dakota Friday next week. So, probably gonna be having like a pheasant hunting video. This rod's eyes, like it's a 2-piece rod, so it keeps turning. Maybe it's a 3-piece rod, I can't remember. Oh my goodness. There, that should be good. It looks halfway normal now. Oh, I had a bite. Did I keep getting bites or I'm getting leaves? These ducks are just taking a bath. Look at them. I like ducks. They can be funny. What is, my reel is like, oh, am I gonna, my reel is messed up. And I have a fish. He ain't a big one, but my reel is screwed up. I don't know what is wrong with my reel. Oh, I'm sorry, fish. I don't know what is up with my reel. Is it the line? I don't know what is. Why is it so hard to reel? Oh, shoot. I don't understand why it's so hard to reel. Okay, I'm sorry for making you wait too long, fish. Okay. You are hooked in a very weird spot, buddy. There we go. He ain't a very bad one. He's a dink, though. I mean, a dink's a dink. There you go. Oh, wash my hands. I keep forgetting. My hands smell so bad. I saw 11 does and 1 little 4-point today hunting this morning. Oh, I was so sleepy in church. Yes, something is not really right in this reel. I don't know, it was working really good the other day when I went fishing with my grandpa at our local lake. Not local, but it's close. Pretty close. Yeah, I posted a new short of these two doe. They were like getting on their hind. This is my first time seeing this. They're getting on their hind legs. You like my bait duck? Oh no! Don't eat it. My duck was looking at not my duck. That duck was looking at my bait. I was like, shoot, you want it? That'd be pretty cool if I caught a duck, but it would suck to get the hook out because they just like fly away. And they already don't really like me because I'm kind of coming into their home. Am I getting a fish? Because my reel is starting to act a little weird. I don't know what these ducks are doing. Like digging their nose into the water, like in the mud. Look. I think they're trying to find crawfish. Like digging down. Oh shoot, that was a terrible guess. That might be what they're doing. That's my guess. Because I don't see that normally. Okay, let's go on the other side of this tree because I just made an absolutely terrible cast. Probably scared every fish away in the vicinity. Right here by this tree should be pretty decent. Because they were biting on the other side of that tree. Oh, right by the tree is perfect. I caught a 3-pounder in the spot. That was my last video that I made. So, it's pretty decent. I got a 5-pounder right out in the middle with a tiny little H&H spinnerbait. If you don't know what an H&H spinnerbait is, like you can probably find them at like a tackle shop or like your Walmart. If you got a Walmart, they're like really tiny. They're like that big, and then they got different colors, and they're like $1 a piece. They're really cheap. I have one. I can show y'all it, but it's not the one I caught that big fish on. I wish it was. I lost that one. I threw it on a pole with bad line, and I got snapped off. Sad, I'll have to go get another one since they're so cheap. I need to loosen my drag a little bit. Lefty loosey. There. That should be good. I don't even know what pound line this is. I think it's like 8. Yeah, it's about 8 or 10. Alright, after this cast, I'll swap back over to the other side of the tree where I caught those 2 fish at. Oh. I had a bite. Yeah, the other day I threw a spinnerbait right in the tree with this, not with this pole, but a different pole. It literally, like, I don't even know what happened. The wind was blowing really bad that day, so you know how, like, the line will curl up on it? Oh, shoot, I just did it again. I let go way too late. the line will curl up on these spinning rods sometimes when it's really windy, and it'll just mess up the whole entire thing, and it takes a minute to get it fixed. And that was happening a lot the other day. And I threw my bait into a tree. I think it's still in there. It probably is. I yanked it pretty hard. It's probably wedged in there. Yeah, these leaves off these trees, they're stuck. They get stuck. What am I talking about? They float on top of the water for like a month, and then they'll sink. So it really sucks for these Ned rigs, but I mean, I caught 2 fish, so I'm gonna keep using it. Okay, my reel's acting up again. This reel's pretty old, so I mean, I kind of expect it to do something bad. We've had this one for like 5 years. And that's not really old for a fishing pole, though. Because, like, I mean, 5 years isn't even that old. Like, the Speed Flex in football, I think it was made in 2016. That was 9 years ago? Yeah, 2016 was 9 years ago, and people still use it. So, really, 5 years is not that old. What brand is this? I don't even know. Hunter Classic. Hey, it ain't a bad pole. Or riding reel, whatever you want to call it. It ain't a bad one. Normally I don't really like spinning rods, but once I found out about Ned rigs, I really like them now because they work so good with these things. Bait casters just cannot handle them. Bait casters are more for like spinner baits, bigger baits. Spinning rods are for smaller baits. Huh. I didn't get as much bites as I was. Oh, I think I keep getting leaves on it. That's why. Hold on, let me go over there. Hey. Let me get right here. Because I want to get it right by that tree. I'm sorry, ducks. Let's go down the bank a little. Like, that is literally perfect. Y'all can do the same thing over there. I'm sorry, but... yeah, they're probably going after this year's spawn of bass or bluegill. Or them little minnows, whatever you want to call them. More tiny fish, the bait fish, yeah. Oh, just go over my line. Oh, hey. I don't want one of them to pick up my line. Yeah, can y'all go any slower? No. Move. Duck, you better not be on it. Okay. Can you... there's a line right there. Imagine I have a fish. Okay, go over. Dadgummit. Oh, they didn't pick up my line. That's good. Okay, now they're going back to doing the little nose thingy. Quack. I don't think they like doing the little nose thingy. I guess they're just going for food. Oh, okay. Is it just me? Or is that Drake right there? Right there? Is his head kind of look blue? His head looks really blue. Like a navy blue, that's what it looks like. I don't know if that's just me, but that's what it looked like to me. Ooh, it's cold outside. And it sucks because the wind's blowing. I don't know how them things are staying in this water. My hands in there, I was just freezing after that. Feeling it? Whew. I don't know how they do it. Oh, what the heck. The wind blew it into the tree. Is it going to come out? Oh, is it out? Come on, Edric. Okay, it's not out. The wind blew it into the tree. Hold on, time my drag. And the bait falls in the water. Huh. Okay. Hey, I got most of my line back. That's a good thing. Just wish I didn't lose the Ned rig. It's okay though. We're gonna try the other Ned rig, the crawl version. We'll probably swap back to the other one though. But yeah, I'm gonna go to a different spot. There's 2 ducks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. What do you call them? I don't know. 8 females. I forgot what you call them. You should know. These crawls, these rage net rigs, they do not look too bad. You can get these at Walmart for pretty cheap. I think they're like $2, maybe $4, but they work really good. Pretty easy to open too. Okay, let's see here. Oh, no, I dropped one. Okay, I should be good with just that. Use the other ones later. Okay, these look a little small for this, but it's okay. And I don't know exactly where to come out with the bait at. It ain't the best rigging up skills, but it's something. It's gonna work, I can tell you that. Maybe, if the fish want to bite it. I'm not really good at rigging these up. These Ned rigs, I suck at it. Ooh, I don't know if y'all heard that, but my stomach is growling. I'm pretty hungry. Okay. Hope I don't get hung up first cast. That would really suck. Because I'm about to walk all the way down there to that corner. Well, I mean, it's not really far, but I would not like to walk back in the first cast. Hey, I did catch almost 2 back-to-back, and I caught one on the first cast, though. So, that spot I was at earlier, I don't know if there's a lot of fish there anymore. I think they all kind of migrated to deeper waters to stay warm. Let's cut off this extra piece. Dude, this is taking me like 5 minutes. Okay, I got it off. That should be good. Ready to rock and roll. Oh, that looks beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, I got on my spot. It's pretty shallow. Dude, I got a ski mask on, I got a hat on, and I got a hoodie on. And my face is still cold. I don't have the thing, ski mask for really over my face. I have it like on my neck. Dude. Yeah. I don't really like it having one on my face. Alright, almost to the spot. So close. So close, yet so far. Okay. Almost there. Well, this is the spot where me and my friend Riker went. He came to my house. That last video. Yeah, we went to this spot. It was pretty decent. I think we caught 6. I caught 4 fish over here. He caught like 3 or 2. I can't remember. We did that challenge, that video. I remember that though. Okay. Whew, it's cold. There go the ducks. I don't know if I saw that. I didn't get it in time. It flew away pretty fast. I wasn't even close to one. Oh, it's a lot more windy over here. A lot more cold over here. Okay. This pole is really getting on my nerves. Let's really get it in there. Okay. Y'all can probably see all these leaves on the bank line. Right to there. Whew. It's a lot colder over here for some reason. I think it's because it's in the shade, and that kind of sucks. Dude, if I had my BB gun or my pellet gun right now, I would absolutely smoke these birds. Because they ain't even scared of me. Oh, I was on a fish. He was taking it, but I don't think it was a big one. I don't think there's much big ones out on this spot. I would rather catch more fish than like just one big fish. Cause like let's say I catch like a 3-pounder. I would rather that's all I catch. I would rather catch like 4. I'd rather catch like 10 dinks than a 3-pounder. Cause my PB is 5, so something is in this spot that is. It might be a bunch of leaves like in the middle. Them leaves are just like making me mad. But something is like really in the spot. There's a dead turtle in here. That might be it. That's a rock. Whew, it's so cold. They're out in the middle out there. Let's see if anything takes it without me reeling in or doing anything. I doubt there will be anything. I don't know, they might not like this Rage Crawl. It looked really good when I got it. Oh shoot, that slipped. Probably should not be standing on that. Whew, I need to get warm up. That should be good. I think there is a stick right there. Hold on. Whew. Ooh, it is cold. Okay, I did get a chatterbait. A new chatterbait that I just found in this bag I had. That had baits in it. Just got a new chatterbait. It's like super vibrant colors. And I caught a lot of fish one day with a super vibrant color chatterbait. It was lime green. It's like a bunch of lime colors. Not lime colors, but a bunch of neon colors. It's very vibrant. That's what I said. Okay, I'm about to like run there. I'm gonna hold the phone. Whew. Not having football for a week is really catching up to me. Getting out of shape. Whew. Been sitting inside eating food all week. Whew. Good night. That was good to work. Okay. I'll get my bait that I was talking about. Very vibrant color chatterbait right here. We're putting it on my, hey, I'm putting it on the spinning rod reel because it's really small. I doubt that I'll be able to cast it on the the bait caster. I about said backlash and bait caster at the same time. It's about what I said. The Ned rig, the Rage Crawl right there. Put the chatterbaits on. You got to love a plain old chatterbait. It ain't very plain. And the hook is like, the only thing I don't like about this thing is that the hook is like a Texas rig hook and it dangles down so it can move. It's not like connected to the bait like hard. It like wobbles. And that can really suck with a hook set. That can make a hook set very hard, or it can actually help it. It depends. Okay, let's try this dock first. Try the dock first. I mean, that one, the spinnerbait that I caught the 5-pounder on was lime green. This ain't that much. Oh, shoot. Okay. That was a very unsuccessful first cast. There we go. Oh, I just cast that pretty far. Okay, let's go. There's Ross. Okay, I've never used a spinnerbait. Well, I've never used a chatterbait on a spinning rod, so this may not be very good performance because I'm still gonna have to figure out how fast I need to reel it in. That's pretty good. God, he can't get off the ground. He's using a 4-wheeler to take his trash can to the end of the driveway for the trash truck. That's pretty smart. I need to do that. Dude, it was freezing coming up here, dude. It was, hold up. Let me see it. Let me put you on the ground. Let's see. Hold up. Oh, I'm stuck. I bet he don't want to be in the video, so I'm gonna let him drive by. Let him go. Alright, I'm gonna get you back when I can. Okay, while I wasn't filming, I actually caught a fish. He's been sitting here for a second now. I've been trying to get my camera ready and my thing ready. Trying to get this hook out. Oh, this sucks. Chill out, dude. I'm sorry, I'm about to have to cut your mouth open a little bit, dude. Can't get my stupid hook out. My knife don't even want to open, it's so cold. All right. There. That should be perfect to get this hook out. There we go. Oh, he ain't a bad one. I'm sorry. Sorry, dude, it took so long. He's okay, though. Oh, that's sad that I couldn't get the video. I was trying, I doubt they wanted to be in the video. So I was trying not to get them in the video, because I really do doubt they wanted to be in a YouTube video. So I just cut the video there. But it's okay. It'll be just fine. Having a little bit of casting problems. Just gonna let it like pull it, make it like vibrate more. This. That's how I got that fish. I just like pulled it, see if it was vibrating, see if I was like caught up in some leaves, and I had a fish. That's about how it went. What? Did y'all hear that? My bail closed while I was casting. This reel is really acting up today. I don't know what it is with it. Okay, that's probably why I keep doing casts like that. Making terrible casts. There we go. That ain't a bad one. That last fish wasn't very big. I'm sorry I couldn't get the footage. That was my fault. I should have started videoing a little earlier because he had already passed by. Should have went and got my camera. Well, not my camera, my phone. Okay, let's swap to a spinnerbait or something because this ain't working real well. Let's use the H&H spinnerbait so I can show y'all it. I think I've used one in a video before. I don't know if y'all knew what it was though. I don't know if y'all knew it was that bait that I was talking about. There it is. Okay, these little things, they're super cheap. The hooks are very sharp. And they're like really good. They're hard to break, like, they're hard to break, like I've broke a spinnerbait before. It isn't very hard, I can tell you that. I set the hook and I broke a spinnerbait. It's not very hard to do it. Wish it was a lot harder to do it for other spinnerbaits, but it's not. They're super small, so like smaller fish can get it. Hey, it's like a Ned rig. Big fish and small fish will get it. After this video, probably not gonna make another fishing video for a while because it's gonna be kind of cold. It's gonna get really cold these next few nights. So I'm probably not gonna be making a video anytime soon. I got school, going on that hunting trip. Well, I might make a video on the hunting trip. I'll probably take my stuff. Oh shoot, I did it again. Dude, I suck at casting with these spinning rods. It's like a 50-50 chance I make a good cast, 50-50 I don't. There we go. I had some bites. This one kind of vibrates. That's why I like it. Thanks for watching my video. I did not get to end it properly because I had to cut it short because I wanted to go home. So thanks for watching that video. Have a nice rest of your day.